Good morning, friends. Today, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are going to be reading one of my childhood favorites, Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman. Officer Buckle and Gloria. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Natville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. Safety tip number 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Uh-oh. Did he stand on a swivel chair? What happens if you stand on a swivel chair? Whoops! It slipped out under him. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Natville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there was snoring. Oh, nobody's listening to Officer Buckle. Afterwards, it was business as usual. Miss Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. "Never stand on a swivel chair," said Officer Buckle, but Mrs. Topple didn't hear him. Oh my goodness, look at all the stuff that's going on in here. Someone's tripping on their shoelace. Look at all these books, they're falling and bumping his head. Yikes. She's standing on a swivel chair. This little boy slipped on a puddle. They need to listen to Officer Buckle and his safety tips. Then one day, Natville's police department bought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give the safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. There she is. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. "Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit." And Gloria sat. What a good dog. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. What's going on? What is Gloria doing? She's standing up. She's doing what Officer Buckle is doing. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. She's being good. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Who are they looking at? Who are the children looking at? They're looking at Gloria. She's acting out the safety tip. Oh my. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. "Good dog," he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. "Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it." The audience roared. Who are they laughing about? They're laughing at Gloria. She's pretending to sit on a thumbtack. Ouch! She jumped so high. Everyone's watching her. Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips would be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. Were the kids laughing at his safety tips? No, they were laughing at Gloria. But does Officer Buckle know that? Not yet. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Knappville School. Look at all of those. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. This one says, "Dear Gloria and Officer Buckle, thank you for coming to our school. You are nice. Your friend, George." So all the kids wrote letters to Officer Buckle and Gloria. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend, Claire. P.S. I always wear a crash helmet." Safety tip number 7. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. "Officer Buckle," they said, "our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along that police dog." So everyone's calling Officer Buckle and Gloria to come give their speech. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. Whoa, look at Gloria. She's doing a flip in the background. And here Gloria's on the stage. Looks like she fell over. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Look at what Gloria's doing here. While Officer Buckle is getting ice cream, Gloria's signing signatures for all the kids. But here she is with Officer Buckle, who likes having her as a buddy. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the College State Auditorium. Look at all those people and those video cameras. They're gonna film Officer Buckle and Gloria. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms, the students jumped to their feet and applauded. Whoa! Zap! Gloria got shocked. She's pretending. Bravo! Bravo! They cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. Uh-oh. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Uh-oh. What does he see on the news? He sees Gloria being silly. Gloria looks a little sad, unsure. The next day, the principal of Knappville School phoned the police station. "Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech." Officer Buckle frowned. "I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyways." Does he sound happy? No, he's probably feeling sad because no one's looking at him. They're looking at Gloria when he's giving the speeches. "Oh," said Miss Topple. "Well, how about Gloria? Could she come?" Somebody else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left Knappville, school had its biggest accident ever. So she was sleeping and so were the kids. Says there's an accident. Uh-oh. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat! Sploosh! Everyone slid smack into Miss Topple, who screamed, "Ah!" and let go of her hammer. Oh no! The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, "Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. So when Miss Topple threw that hammer on accident, it hit Claire, but Claire was wearing her safety helmet, so she was okay. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. I wonder what it's going to be. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. Aww. Him and Gloria are giving stories again, or speeches on safety tips. The end. That was Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman. I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.